Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can replace a color in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a picture opened. This has a couple of text options or text layers, which I will delete since they are not used for this tutorial. And I have this sort of small image with a solid green background. This is a screenshotted background from Photopea, but the way that you can replace the color here is by selecting the background first. Now, if you want to, you can do this in two ways. You can select the magic wand tool and click on the background, and it should select the background with as much accuracy as possible. Or if you want it more accurate, what you can do is use the lasso tool and then go and zoom into the picture and make it as precise as you can. I'll just do it in a rough shape, and as you can see now, this object will be selected. If you want to select the background, you just right click and click inverse, and it should show you something like this. Now all you need to do to replace this is, well, you can just delete the background, or you can go into file and, or edit and go into fill, and here you can just click gray, white, black, or custom, and you just select the color you want. Let's say I want the color red, and just click for some reason that did not select red. Let me just try that again. Just click OK, and now click OK, and as you can see, the background is now red, and that is basically all you have to do. You just need to select the areas which you would like to replace the color of, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.